Hello, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to turn on lockdown mode in iOS 26 on your iPhone 17 Pro. So lockdown mode is an extreme security feature that is designed for users who may be at risk of highly targeted cyber attacks, and when this feature is enabled, it significantly reduces the device's attack surface by limiting certain functionalities. So now I will show you step by step how to activate that on your iPhone 17 Pro. So open Settings and you have to scroll to Privacy and Security section. And scroll all the way down until you see lockdown mode, and you want to tap this turn on lockdown mode button, and you have to enter your device passcode or scan your face to confirm that you really want to turn it on. But remember, lockdown mode is intended for users who believe that they are at risk of targeted cyber attacks, and most users do not need to enable this feature. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.